Hi there, this is Chris with Hurricane Electric Internet Services on Thursday, August 26, 2010. Today we'll be covering a viewer question sent in by YouTube user Sven Stafford. The question is as follows: what is the difference between an IPv6 allocation and an IPv4 allocation? Well, first of all, what is IPv4 and what is IPv6? IP comes from Internet Protocol, which is a system of rules that govern how different networks communicate with each other. IPv4 is just the fourth version of Internet Protocol developed by universities and government agencies in the 70s. IPv5 was later developed in the 90s, but for use with Internet Stream Protocol for voice and video transmission. So we moved to IPv6. In simplest terms, an IP address is exactly that, an address where one can find a computer or mobile device. Today, instead of saying, "Did you check your messages on 69.63.181.11, instead you'd say, "Did you check your messages on Facebook?" Turns out that humans do better with remembering words instead of 32-bit addresses. IPv4 gives us about 4 billion addresses to play with. This system, however, far from covers all of our needs, but thanks to network addressing redesigns like classful networks, classless routing, and network address translation, we've been able to delay the inevitable exhaustion of those IPv addresses. The 128-bit design of IPv6 gives us about 340 undecillion addresses to play with. That's 340 trillion addresses. Tomorrow we'll go over exactly what an IPv6 address looks like versus an IPv4 address, and what an IPv4 net block allocation looks like versus an IPv6 net block allocation.